Imagine this scenario. You're driving, making money, whether it be rideshare or delivery, then all of a sudden you feel this weird feeling in your stomach. What's that weird feeling? Oh, you gotta go to the bathroom. So what do? Hello everyone, this is Elijah from the RideShare Guy, and in this video we're gonna have a little bit of fun. I'm sure everyone, whether you drive rideshare or you deliver food, has experienced this scenario at some point. You're in the hustle of making money, then all of a sudden you gotta go to the restroom. What's the person to do? Well, apparently Delivery Dude has a favorite spot that he likes to visit anytime he needs to use the restroom. Here on Twitter, we see a tweet from Delivery Dude on what's his favorite place when nature calls. Now, this tweet will be linked in the description below, and we're going to read some of the comments that people have tweeted to him because it's actually pretty funny and interesting. So reading the tweet, what's your favorite place to go while delivering when nature calls? Mine is Krispy Kreme. There is a door right next to the bathroom so you can sneak in and out. It also smells pretty good in there. So I guess you could say it smells crispy, huh? I'm sorry, I couldn't avoid using that pun. Truth be told, I wasn't personally aware that that was an option in Krispy Kreme donuts. Now keep in mind that I don't have a degree in Krispy Kreme donut layout structure, so it might be something unique to that specific one. But I think that's pretty cool. I mean, he's not even bothering the staff, which we already know in the past, some people have had issues with people using the restroom in their establishment. We're not gonna go down a trip in memory lane. For me personally, if I'm driving rideshare and I have to use the restroom, that is an excuse to take a delivery. So I will actually switch just to Uber Eats, get a decent delivery, and when I'm in there picking up the food, I'm going to go to the restroom. Usually that solves the problem for me because if you're there picking up food, for the most part, establishments tend to not have an issue with you using the restroom, and I can make a little bit of delivery money in the process. Once that food is dropped off, then I'll switch back to rideshare. If I had to pick a favorite place, it would probably be Chick-fil-A because they're known for their long drive-through lines. Inside the diners, it can be packed, but in my experience, their restrooms are just bigger and usually there's not that many people in there. So that's a bonus for me. Swinging back to the tweet, we have Cali delivery driver saying, I've got pit stops picked out all over the town. Some fast food, some gas stations. Most are too busy to notice. I avoid the ones with coded doors. That's actually a smart tactic. Now, I will say there has been instances with me where if I got a code to a door, I have it memorized. So I would just go in and use it. But keep in mind that codes are subject to being changed. And your delivery guy says this is one of the benefits of being a delivery driver. You pretty much know where everything is in your area and all the best restroom stops. Amazing. They bring up a good point since you'll be more informed on what restaurants have the best restrooms, because even though a place has a restroom, you might not want to use them. I mean, just being honest. The gig economy says hotels are definitely great. Haven't had a bad one. Super clean. Don't use. 1 cent tip. Okay, I can relate to that. And for the last tweet we're going to read, Jeff Stick says, McDonald's in my area are surprisingly clean. Well, that's good to know. Obviously, that's going to vary from area to area. I will admit, in my particular area, the McDonald's bathrooms tend to be clean. Now, speaking of restroom and bathroom related stuff, there actually is a company that is offering a survey in the San Francisco area to rideshare and delivery drivers. This is a paid survey for those who live in the San Francisco area. Just fill out this quick survey if you're interested in earning up to $100 for free. Fast access to 100 clean San Francisco restrooms for 3 weeks. So not only is there an opportunity to earn some money here if you're in the San Francisco area, but for 3 weeks you can expand the amount of nice clean restrooms that can be used by you in the San Francisco area. Overall, that sounds like a win-win to me, so it's something to take advantage of if you're in the San Francisco area. The link to the survey and also the original tweet will be linked in the description. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, this should be fairly interesting. Feel free to leave that in the comment section below. If you found value in it, giving us a thumbs up is greatly appreciated. Helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. We publish new videos on a weekly basis about the gig economy, so if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when our next video drops. It's been Elijah with the RideShare Guy, signing off. Be safe and be profitable, everyone.